Imagine this, you're asleep, but your bank account isn't. Money flows in while you're dreaming. Sounds like a fantasy, right? In the world of affiliate marketing, it's a reality. Now let's paint a picture of what affiliate marketing is all about. Picture yourself as a bridge connecting eager customers to the products they crave. Every time a sale is made through your bridge, you earn a commission. It's a win-win situation, and the best part? This can generate a steady stream of passive income. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. One of the biggest hurdles affiliate marketers face is finding quality resources to help them succeed, all without breaking the bank. And that's where we come in. Stay tuned as we reveal the top free affiliate marketing resources that can help you turn this fantasy into your reality. So you're ready to dive into the world of affiliate marketing, but where do you start? Don't worry, we've got you covered. First up on our list of top-notch free affiliate marketing resources is the Affiliate Marketing eBook. This digital gem is filled with comprehensive step-by-step guides on affiliate marketing basics, strategy building, and tips for success. It's a fantastic place to start, especially if you're new to the game. Next, we have the Affiliate Marketing Forum. This online community is teeming with experienced marketers who are more than willing to share their insights and answer your queries. Here, you can learn from others' experiences, avoid common pitfalls, and even network with potential partners. It's like having a round-the-clock support team at your fingertips. But what about staying updated with the latest trends and strategies? That's where the Affiliate Marketing Podcast comes in. It features interviews with successful affiliate marketers who share their secrets to success. It's like having a mentor guiding you through your journey, and the best part? You can listen to it while you're commuting, working out, or even cooking dinner. Now, let's talk about tools. The Affiliate Marketing Toolset is a bundle of free tools designed to streamline your marketing efforts. It includes a keyword research tool, a competition analysis tool, and a conversion optimization tool. These tools can help you identify profitable niches, understand your competitors, and boost your conversion rates, all without spending a dime. But what if you're more of a visual learner? The Affiliate Marketing Webinar Series is for you. These webinars offer visual guides and live demonstrations, making complex concepts easier to grasp. Plus, you get the chance to ask questions and interact with the hosts. Last but not least, we have the Affiliate Marketing Blog. This blog features articles on various topics, from choosing the right affiliate program to optimizing your marketing strategies. It's like having a library of knowledge at your disposal. But wait, there's more. We're about to reveal the most valuable free resource that can skyrocket your affiliate marketing earnings. Now here's the big reveal, the free resource that can be a game changer for your affiliate marketing journey. It's called the Affiliate Marketing Masterclass. This platform is not just a resource, but a community of like-minded individuals, all striving to make their mark in the world of affiliate marketing. What sets the Affiliate Marketing Masterclass apart? Well, it's the breadth and depth of knowledge it offers. The platform is brimming with comprehensive guides, webinars, and tutorials that cater to both beginners and seasoned marketers. It takes you through every step of the process, right from choosing your niche to driving traffic and optimizing conversions. But the learning doesn't stop at the basics. The Affiliate Marketing Masterclass also dives deep into advanced strategies like SEO optimization, email marketing, and leveraging social media platforms for maximum reach. And it's not just about theory. The Affiliate Marketing Masterclass also provides practical resources such as customizable templates for your landing pages, email campaigns, and more. It even offers an opportunity to learn from successful case studies, providing insights into what works and what doesn't in the real world of affiliate marketing. But perhaps the most valuable aspect of the Affiliate Marketing Masterclass is its vibrant community. Here, you can connect with fellow marketers, exchange ideas, ask questions, and share your successes and challenges. It's a place where collaboration trumps competition, and where every marketer, regardless of their experience level, has something valuable to offer. The Affiliate Marketing Masterclass is more than just a resource. It's a mentor, a guide, and a partner in your affiliate marketing journey. It empowers you with the knowledge, tools, and support you need to succeed in this dynamic and competitive field. And the best part? It's absolutely free. This means you can access high-quality, actionable content and a supportive community without spending a single dime. Now that you've got the tools, it's time to put them to work. Remember, success in affiliate marketing doesn't come overnight, but with these resources, you're well on your way. All right, let's do a quick recap of what we've covered today. We've journeyed through the exciting world of affiliate marketing, a lucrative avenue for generating passive income online. We've also busted the myth that you need to spend big bucks to succeed in this field. Instead, we've revealed that there are numerous high-quality free resources available to you. We've unearthed a treasure trove of free affiliate marketing resources that can help you make money online effortlessly in 2024. These resources offer a multitude of features and benefits that can be leveraged effectively to maximize your affiliate marketing success. We've discussed how these resources can help you overcome common challenges faced by affiliate marketers, such as finding quality resources without breaking the bank. We've underscored the fact that these resources are not only free, but can also be game-changing in your affiliate marketing journey. We've spotlighted one resource in particular which we believe is the most valuable and can make a significant difference in your earnings. This resource can be your secret weapon in the affiliate marketing world, helping you to stand out from the crowd and skyrocket your earnings. But remember, these resources are only as good as the effort you put into using them. Affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires time, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. But with these free resources at your disposal, you're already a step ahead of the competition. So go ahead, start your affiliate marketing journey today with these free resources. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more valuable content, and share your favorite free affiliate marketing resources in the comments section. Your success story could be the inspiration for our next video. Until then, keep hustling.